Exemplifying the stately country homes that Old Chatham is known for, Kinderhill Farm is a landmark property gracefully sited on a hillside, surrounded by a veritable arboretum. The original farmhouse from the mid-19th century has been beautifully combined with a later addition of a federal design main house. Steeped in history with original details intact, this gracious four-bedroom home offers all of the modern comforts, including central air conditioning, smart house technology, and a climate-controlled wine cellar. 4 working fireplaces, a recently updated specialty granite kitchen, well-sized library, office, and inviting living and dining rooms exude all the tranquil warmth you'd hope from this period-style home. The more recently added 4-season sunroom provides a complete living area from which to enjoy the natural beauty that surrounds you. A large variety of trees dot the lawn that leads to the large pond, a heated gunite pool, and tennis court. There is also a stunning antique barn complex housing an exercise room, craftsman workshop, and a heated 4-bay garage for the collector. The massive beams in the unfinished portion of the barns leave ample room for conversion to a party barn, guest house, or studio, still leaving abundant space for horses to enjoy the fenced pastures. With its woodland trails winding through the property's 36 acres, revealing a magnificent Catskill mountain view, and the expanse of Kinderhill Farm below, this spectacular estate is now ready and available for its next perceptive owner to enjoy.